Hello. Have you recently switched to new Outlook and thought, where did my quick actions go? In classic Outlook, you could quickly archive, move, or delete emails by hovering over an email using the quick actions right from the email. In new Outlook, those same actions are still available. They just are at a different place. When you hover over an email, you will see three default quick actions to the right of the sender name. In Classic Outlook, you could select only two quick actions, and the good news is, in the new Outlook, you can have up to four quick actions. Let me show you how to customize these actions so your favorite commands are always just one click away. Before we move forward with the tutorial, a quick question for you. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? You can get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, contact us via email or phone. Let's get back to our tutorial. Left-click the settings, the gear icon in the upper right corner of New Outlook. Left-click Mail. Left-click Customize Actions. In the Quick Actions section on the right, uncheck the one that you don't want. I will uncheck Flag because I don't use it. I will select Move to a folder and also Archive option. Then, to save the changes, left-click the Save button. Now, when I hover over an email, I will have my preferred quick actions. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also, give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. And if you are interested in the training I mentioned earlier, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.